a pet-friendly and multifunctional light and easy steam mop. It provides 3 steam levels for different floor surfaces, including tiles, laminate, hardwood floors, and more. Fill the tank with water, power it up, and it'll be ready in less than 30 seconds, releasing 248 Fahrenheit of superheated steam, killing germs and tackling tough, sticky messes. With a 180-degree pivoting head and an extra long 20-foot power cord. The steam mop is lightweight and easy to carry. That's not all. It's also a detachable steam generator to use as a handheld steamer with additional cleaning accessories. The pinpoint nozzle helps clean dirty areas around corners and tight spaces.
Introducing the BISSELL Symphony. It's the revolutionary floor cleaner that vacuums and steam mops at the same time. Now you don't have to compromise. You get excellent vacuum performance and excellent steam mop performance. Look at how the Symphony vacuums up this mess better than this expensive Dyson. And here you can see how the Symphony gives you superior cleaning power over the Shark Steam Mop. And unlike other machines that require you to go through 2 steps, the Symphony vacuums and steam mops at the same time. It's the only one that's all in one. Plus, the Symphony's steam eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using any harmful chemicals. So now you can get rid of all these other tools because you can get it all with the Symphony. Use high steam for vinyl, linoleum, tile, and those really tough sticky messes. Use low steam for sealed hardwoods, laminates, and everyday messes and cleaning. The microfiber mop pads have microband protection to keep them fresher and cleaner, while the easy-release mop pad tray makes it so simple to change pads. And of course, they're reusable. Just throw them in the wash so you can use them over and over again. Our dry tank technology keeps moisture out of the dust cup, and it's so easy to empty. The adjustable handle makes the Symphony easy to use and store. And at just 10.5 pounds with an extra long cord, the Symphony easily goes anywhere in your home. So if you're using a broom or a stick vac, if you're using a mop and bucket or a steam mop, if you're looking for a faster, more convenient way to get your floors barefoot clean, you need to get a Symphony.
Your PowerFresh Deluxe assembles easily and quickly. We'll show you how. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Attach the body to the mop head. You will hear a click. Then, insert the handle into the body. Secure the handle with the screw using your Phillips head screwdriver. Secure the cord around both cord wraps. It's that easy. Your PowerFresh Deluxe is assembled.
Assembling the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is quick and easy. First, attach the steam mop handle to the main body. Then connect the Genius Mop head. And just like that, the steam mop is assembled. To remove the mop head, press the mop head release button. And to put together the spray pocket mop, simply insert the second handle into the lower pole connector, and then attach the Genius Mop head. That's all there is to it.